So with condensation polymerization, what happens is you get two monomers, and in this case, the monomers are often, in fact, in many cases, condensation polymerization, the monomers are quite large. We often think of monomers as being quite small, but they're, like that one's fairly large. That one's not as large, but yeah. And they're different, and they combine by this bit here, which isn't necessarily an OH, two OH groups, but they combine by something breaking off and then causing a bond to appear. So this carbon would join on this carbon here, would then have a free bond, which would join onto this oxygen here, which would also have a free bond. And so that oxygen, if I draw a line, that oxygen here is this oxygen down there. And the ones in red, they've coloured in red, the letters they've coloured in red have become water over here. So, and then you look at the other end. So what I might try to do maybe outside of the video in a moment is draw this myself, and then show you how it connects. So that's condensation polymerization. Two different monomers combined in a sort of, if we say that's monomer A and monomer B, they join like that. So A, B, and so on. Okay, that's condensation polymerization. Addition polymerization is a lot simpler. It's usually, perhaps always, made with an alkene, certainly something with a double bond, and the double bond breaks, and it causes them to have a bond either side, and they just have multiple of the same monomer. So addition polymerization, many of the same monomer reacting to produce one long chain or many long chains, and no other molecule is produced. So that's the difference. Does that make sense?